July 17 is World Emoji Day, and many of the world's iconic symbols are accepted for the digital calendar. The day encourages us to use emoji to send unique messages. When was the last time you used emoji? Now we have a habit of using emoji in almost every conversation. The biggest advantage of emoji is that they make the conversation more fun and colorful. Emojis are a new way of communicating with one another. Hundreds of emojis are added on different platforms every year. These emojis are very popular with new age users. Using emojis make the conversation more fun and interesting. It also added flavor to the conversation and allowed users to interact with each other for a long time. The first emoji was created in 1999 by Shigetaka Kurita, an engineer who works for a Japanese wireless operator entity Docomo. He creates 176 emojis for the release of the integrated mobile internet service iMode of the Japanese mobile operator entity Docomo, which debuted in February 1999. The service was allowed for only 250 characters, which presented Kurita with the challenges of finding a way to communicate expressively but briefly. The oldest mainstream emoji was used in Yahoo Messenger in 2010. Emoji was finally standardized by Unicode that said brands like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Twitter can start creating their own versions of emojis that will appear even if a message was sent from another operating system. Let's us tell you that Unicode 6.0 is the biggest version of emoji, yet made up of 994 characters like emotions, a pile of faces, families, hearts, animals, clothes, foods, cityscapes, clocks, and country flags. In 2014, World Emoji Day was launched by the founder of Emojipedia named Jeremy Berg. Let us tell you that Emojipedia is the custodian of this global holiday and in charge of this website. Every month, Emojipedia offers over 25 million emoji lookups. The date of July 17 is chosen as World Emoji Day as July 17 is known to be displayed on the calendar emoji. The first World Emoji Day was celebrated on July 17, 2014, and the first tweet about World Emoji Day on July 11, 2014. Before World Emoji Day, people sometimes posted the calendar emoji on July 17 as well.